We turned up in the party going crazy. Turning up in the party going crazy. We turned up in the party going crazy. Got all my niggas feeling kinda hazy.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Jordan Retro 5 Oreo. I got mine, well mine's is grade school because I wear a size 5. So I will be unboxing those today. And I did order mine early on GOAT. I ordered mine on August 28th. And today is the 13th. They came 2 days ago. So it took a little over 2 weeks for me to receive my shoes, which is a kind of bit of a long time. Like, GOAT, y'all need to like speed up the process. I had to actually wait for the seller to send the shoes to GOAT for GOAT to verify and then send them to me. So that's why it took a while. But usually they don't take that long, but it took quite a bit of a long time. But then it was Labor Day, so maybe that had something to do with like the processing time or something. But I ordered mine on August 28th and I got mine on the 11th, so it was a little bit of a wait. And the Oreos were supposed to release on, I think, this past Saturday, which was the 11th. And then I think they got pushed up for a minute to be released on the 10th, which was Friday. Let's see. Y'all, I have to like double check because I don't want to be telling y'all wrong information, you know, I just be talking, but
5 hours later.
Yeah, they don't have like the old release date, but I'm pretty sure the old release date was this past Saturday, which was the 11th, and then it got pushed up a day earlier on Friday the 10th. But now they pushed the release to the Oreos all the way to the 25th, so that's even after the 13th. So yeah, they come in a week after that, the 25th, that I assume is a Saturday because shoes always release, well, Jordan's mostly released on Saturday. So yeah, not this Saturday, but the next Saturday they'll be coming out. But yeah, and y'all know, as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see it, I have my Oreos over here. You know, I had to get like in the little Oreo spirit. And I found me some Oreo socks. I don't know if I'm too far, y'all. I'm so far away from the camera. I don't know like how well y'all can see it, but here's the Oreo socks, y'all. And I'm definitely gonna be rocking these Oreo socks with these shoes because why not? Oreo. But yeah, I don't want to talk too much, so we're just gonna get right into it and opening it. So yeah, I'm doing this video 2 days after I received these shoes. Today is Monday. I'm like, let me get into it and just unbox these. I'm like, I'm not gonna open them until I get on camera, so y'all, I don't know how these look like or anything. Let's see. These scissors only give me a hard time. Let's open them. Okay, I opened the box upside down for starters. This is what it's looking like upside down. Let's flip the box over. This is what the box is looking like. Okay. Now let's open them. Oh, before we open them, I gotta tell y'all, like, the retail price for these in the grade school sizes is $150, and I always have to tell y'all, I paid $212.85. The subtotal for the shoe was $183. Shipping was $12, and tax was another $17.85. So the grand total was $212.85. So I paid about, I want to say $60 over, 60 and something dollars over retail. But yeah, to get these early. Let's open them. Okay, let's see. Okay. These look better in person than I expected. I'm gonna give y'all some close-up footage too because I am so far back, y'all. But yeah, I would have to say these look way better than I expected them to be because my standards wasn't too high for these. Like, I didn't know what they was gonna look like, but they look a lot better in person. Yes, the detail at the bottom. Yes. If you were thinking about passing on these, I would totally recommend getting these because, yeah, I would have to say this is like, I was not expecting these shoes to look this good in person. I don't know. I wasn't really feeling them. I was like, I don't know. I'm like, but I'm gonna just get them. But I'm happy I got them because, yeah, I would have been sick if I would have passed this release up. This is bomb. Especially if you could get it for retail, I will most definitely recommend getting it because, yes, this is definitely worth every penny. These would have to be like one of my most favorite pairs out of my 5s. As y'all can see, this is the 5s up here. We have the What Those, we have the red one, you know, yeah. This is the most, I would have to say, I might like these better than the What Those. And I'm telling you, I was not a fan of these. I was like, okay, you know, let me get it so I could do a little unboxing video. And I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna wear these this much because y'all know me, I don't really wear my 5s like that. But I am definitely happy I got these because, yeah, these are bomb. And just I love everything about them. Yes. Here's a bottom. Look at the bottom. And the material, the suede material on it, everything is just like, it's giving me Oreo. It is giving me Oreo. Because at first I was like, the name isn't really fitting, like, for the shoe. I know they have like the white Oreos, but, and y'all know black don't get dirty. So it's kind of like, this is a win-win. Even though it's white around, you know, the bottom, but it's still a win-win because it's like, you can wear these a lot and get away with it, you know. And the creasing on the 5s isn't that bad as like some of the other numbers of the Jordans, but yeah, I would totally recommend these. Like, these are bomb. These will go with most definitely anything you wear. So it's like one of them shoes that you could just throw on with almost anything and it would just match right with it. But yeah, even like the gray Jordan on Jordan Jumpman logo. Yeah, just the details for me. I'm telling y'all, I would have to give these, I would give these a 9 out of a 10. Yeah, 5s aren't my favorite numbers, so that's why I took away a point. But yeah, yes, I'm telling y'all, enter the raffles. I believe Hibbit is having one. I don't know if the raffles are open yet because it's kind of a while before the release, but be looking out for the raffles on Hibbit and Foot Locker. Y'all could download the app and enter the raffles and try to snag these for retail. And y'all know y'all can always log in, like, well, not log in, but get up the day of the release and try to snag a pair on Foot Locker. I don't know if the bot's gonna beat y'all, but it's worth a try. It's always worth a try. But yeah, most definitely enter the raffle for these because I'm telling you, if you can get these at retail, I would get them. I would most definitely get them. But yeah, these are fire. Yes, I am super stoked I was able to get these. Yes. Now let me show y'all some close-ups, and y'all know I'm gonna be giving y'all the on foot footage too, also with my Oreo socks. So yeah, I'm gonna head outside. It's sunny outside. I'm gonna give y'all some good footage, give y'all some up close views so y'all can see which for yourself. And drop a comment below and tell me, what do y'all think of these? Are y'all gonna get these? I feel like these might be slept on. I'm telling y'all, do not sleep on these. Like y'all did the Jordan Utility Grinds, the 12s. In my previous unboxing video, do not sleep on these. Yes, do not sleep on these. If you're thinking about passing, I'm telling you, do not pass. These shoes look 1,000 times better in person, I'm telling you. Yeah, and y'all know 5 is not my favorite number, as I stated, so this has to be a pretty nice shoe for me to be telling y'all to go get it. But please don't sleep on these. But yeah, I'm gonna go outside, get y'all some on foot footage so y'all can see, I know, kind of like get the gist of it, and then I'm gonna give y'all some up close footage. So yeah. Y'all, I'm back in from wearing them outside. I don't know what y'all do with these right here, but I usually put mine on the bottom of my shoe right here, because it gets in the way when I try to tie my shoe. But yeah, as y'all see on these, on my Withers, I have them at the bottom, just so I can't tie my shoes with this like right here, be in the way. But I don't know if y'all, if it's supposed to be like a shoestring stopper or something, and you're not actually supposed to tie these, because as you know, like the shoestrings on the 5s, they aren't that long. So maybe that's just a shoestring stopper. But let me know in the comments what do y'all do with y'all? Do y'all put them at the tip of them, like right here, or do y'all keep them at the top with the shoestring where you tie them, or y'all just do it like this and just let it be tied like that? But I don't know. But let me know in the comments, because I had my shoes on TikTok, and somebody's badass kid had the audacity to comment and say that this was disrespectful of some sort. So let me know if this is disrespectful or what. But yeah, let me know what y'all think and what's y'all perspective on it. Y'all let me know what shoes do y'all have y'all eyes on, because like what's gonna be the next hype release? Because we already had the Lightning 4s. What do y'all think is gonna be the next hype release? Because I don't hear many people talking about anything right now. But let me know, because I'm going straight hype beast mode, and I need to know what shoes y'all trying to get, because yeah, I want to get them too. I usually take my own route, but it's hype beast season, and I'm getting the shoes that y'all getting. So let me know.